If Clipchamp is showing a network error or connection error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether Clipchamp is not loading, freezing, or just refusing to connect, these steps are simple, safe, and easy to follow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, open Clipchamp and see if the error appears right away. Sometimes the issue is temporary and all you need to do is refresh the page. Use the refresh button in your browser or press the reload shortcut on your keyboard. This can clear a small loading issue and reconnect Clipchamp properly. If refreshing does not help, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Clipchamp depends on a stable connection to load your project and sync your account. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working, try opening another website and confirm that your internet is actually active. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot to see whether the error is caused by your network. If the connection still fails, log out of Clipchamp and then log back in. Sometimes your session can become stuck or expire, which can trigger a network error. Signing out and signing back in gives the app a fresh session and may immediately fix the problem. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache. Over time, stored files and cookies can interfere with how Clipchamp loads. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy and select Clear Browsing Data. Then clear the cache and cookies, restart your browser, and try opening Clipchamp again. This step often resolves loading and connection problems caused by corrupted browser data. If you still see the error, try using Incognito mode. Open your browser menu and choose New Incognito window. This gives you a clean browsing session without old cache, saved cookies, or extension conflicts. Then sign into Clipchamp again and test whether the network error is gone. If Clipchamp works in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is related to browser data or an extension in your normal window. At this point, one of these steps should have fixed the Clipchamp network error or connection error. The main things to remember are to refresh the page, verify your internet connection, log out and back in, clear your cache, and test incognito mode. These are the fastest troubleshooting steps and they solve the issue for many users without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix Clipchamp, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.